Hello, ladies and gentlemen. How are you guys doing? It's been a while. I missed you guys. Yeah, and I know you missed me too. All right. My name is Kingsley Anajemba, and I'm a digital marketer. I help businesses grow online using Facebook and Instagram ads, adverts, websites, sales funnels, and landing pages. Okay. If this is your first time on my YouTube channel, you are welcome. Okay. Where have you been on this one, man? Welcome home. All right. If you're a returning subscriber, thanks so much for sticking with me. I really appreciate you. On this channel, we'll talk about everything entrepreneurship and digital marketing. All right, so let's jump into the main thing for the day. This video is the first part of my Facebook ads series. Facebook ads YouTube series called my Facebook ads playlist. Okay, this is a mini course that you just basically help you get started on with Facebook adverts. Take you from basically a beginner, like so going to take you from someone who has never heard about Facebook to someone who's like at least an intermediate user. Okay, if not a pro user. Okay, so this course is titled my Facebook ads playlist. All right, so now this particular video, this first series is titled why Facebook ads. Okay, so I'm just going to give you some reasons why you should be using Facebook adverts for a business right now. And by the way, I think that Facebook ads are greatly underpriced right now. Okay, if you're not using Facebook ads for a business, man, you are missing a lot. Okay, there are more than 2 million active advertisers on Facebook. This is old information. It must have grown, it must have increased by now. Talking about like 3 million or more. Okay, this is not a recent this is not a recent study. We're talking about 3 million or more, right? So there are more than 2 million active subscribers on Facebook, man. Okay, next one, over 700 million users visit Facebook on mobile each day. Can you imagine that? And this is according to a 2014 report. Okay, imagine this is 2021, June 2021. This number must have increased, I'm telling you. So Facebook has a monthly database of 2 billion people, and we have over 700 million users visiting every day on mobile, not on desktop. And imagine what this figure would be like if we combined the mobile users and desktop users, man. Talking about over 1 billion people. All right, so next one. The number of mobile users is only growing. Of course, we know that more people are beginning to buy mobile phones, and so is number of Facebook accounts. And with more people on the Facebook database, you have more clients, more customers to reach out to. Okay, that's good for advertisers and also good for Facebook. All right, Facebook users, bought about $234 million worth of goods. In 2014. Okay, just imagine. $234 million. All right, so money is passing you by if you're on Facebook just chat with your friends. There's so much more you can be doing on Facebook. Okay, guys, at this point, if you're enjoying this this video, please smash the subscribe button, okay, and click the bell notification icon so that once I drop a new video, you'll be the first to know. Okay, so there's a lot of money going on Facebook right now, man. You have to get in here and take your own share. Next one, you can micro target your exact audience. Let me just explain this for a while. Let's assume now that you are in the dog niche. Okay, you are selling dog products. You can stay anywhere in the world as long as you have an internet connection and a laptop, and target any country, and target people not just by their country. You can target them by their location, by their exact location. You can target them by their streets, by their states. You can target them by their interests. So you can just be in your home country and target someone in the US, someone that is in New York, that's a state, someone that is in a particular street in New York, someone that is interested in dogs and pets, so they can sell your products to them since you're in the pets or dog niche. You understand what that means, right? Awesome, you can do that on Facebook. You reach far more people than you ever will with organic posts. I think we all know this, okay? No matter the amount of Facebook friends you have, I think the max is 5,000. I'm sure the max is 5,000, man. And if you make a post on Facebook, I assure you that not up to 3,000. Okay, let's just say 3,000 of your friends will see it. That's it. You can't have 5,000 of your friends seeing your post. But with Facebook adverts, everybody can see your advert, even those people that are following you and those people that are not following you, even those people that are following your page and those people that are not following your page, even those people that are your friends and not, and those ones that are not your friends, they can see your adverts as long as you are, you're advertising it. Okay. Next one, Facebook adverts will allow you to remarket to people who already interacted with your with your business. Okay, let me explain. This is called retargeting, and it's an advanced use of the Facebook ads platform. This feature allows you to remarket your goods or your products or your services to people that interacted with your advert in the past but did not take any action. Okay, you know that as an advertiser, your aim is to sell. Of course, not just sell. You have different aims. Okay, we're going to talk about that in subsequent videos. You have different aims of running Facebook ads. Okay, maybe it's to get people to install your app, or do promote your brand, generate leads if you're in the real estate niche and stuff like that. You have different objectives. Okay, but if for any reason someone interacts with your advert and they did not make a purchase, or they did not take action, or they did not follow through with this CTA. CTA is short for what's it called again? CTA, man. How could I forget? Call to action. Okay, CTA is short for call to action. All right. So if, for instance, they did not click the call to action, you can always retarget them. All right. That's how amazing and how advanced Facebook ads is. Okay, and it's important that I tell you at this point that Facebook owns Instagram also. So if you have knowledge of Facebook adverts, automatically you can operate Instagram, number one, because of the ads platforms are integrated, and then number two, you can advertise on Instagram also. The knowledge of Facebook ads is the beginning of Instagram ads. Let me put it that way. Okay, awesome. And let me just add just like an like a bonus. Facebook advert is the easiest ads platform to master. I'm telling you. Okay, this course is going to take you like from beginner to intermediate, close to advanced. I'm telling you, man, seriously, you'll be close to an expert user of Facebook. Okay, so there are lots of things that you can advertise on Facebook, your businesses, your services, and whatever you have. All right, so make sure you stick through to the end of this series. This is just the first video. I'll be posting subsequent videos. Okay, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please don't forget to smash the subscribe button. Okay, it helps other people just like you see this video. It helps the YouTube algorithm recommend this video to other people that are searching for it just like you. Okay, thank you so much for watching. All right, have a great day. Okay, bye.